Beneath the muddy, swirling surface of the mighty Amazon River lies another world, wild, mysterious, and brimming with life. In these shadowy waters, where sunlight struggles to penetrate the silt-heavy depths, extraordinary creatures thrive, each uniquely adapted to the enigmatic aquatic environment. One of the grandest inhabitants of this submerged world is the Pirarucu, the largest freshwater fish in the world. With a body length surpassing 3 meters and a weight exceeding 200 kilograms, the Pirarucu appears as a living relic of prehistoric times. Its massive, gleaming scales, shimmering in hues of silver and red, move gracefully beneath the surface, like a silent titan of the river. However, the Pirarucu faces serious threats from overfishing and habitat destruction. In recent years, conservation programs have been established to protect this majestic species, whose survival is deeply intertwined with the resilience of the Amazon ecosystem itself. Nearby, gliding almost imperceptibly through the murky water, the electric eel lurks. This remarkable creature possesses the ability to generate electric shocks up to 850 volts, a biological marvel that it uses for hunting and self-defense. With a sudden discharge, it can stun or kill prey instantly, making it one of the most formidable predators in these waters. Meanwhile, hidden in calmer backwaters, the notorious piranhas bide their time. Though they have long been feared as ruthless killers, the truth about piranhas is more nuanced. While some species are indeed aggressive, many feed primarily on fruits and seeds that fall into the river from the overhanging forest. Nonetheless, when food is scarce, their collective feeding frenzies can be both swift and merciless, stripping prey to the bone within minutes. Along the muddy riverbanks, another formidable predator patiently awaits: the black caiman. This massive reptile, capable of reaching 6 meters in length, silently floats just beneath the water's surface. With jaws capable of exerting enough pressure to crush bone, the black caiman is a dominant force among Amazonian predators, striking swiftly at unsuspecting prey that ventures too close. Yet the true master of stealth among Amazonian predators is the anaconda. Growing over 6 meters long and weighing hundreds of kilograms, the anaconda does not kill its prey with venom, but with overwhelming strength. Once it coils its muscular body around its victim, it squeezes with relentless force until life ebbs away, then drags the lifeless body into the water to consume it at leisure. In the Amazon, every creature, from the towering Pirarucu to the lurking electric eel, the nimble piranhas, the stealthy black caiman, and the powerful anaconda, plays a crucial role in maintaining the endless cycle of life and death. As the river overflows its banks during the rainy season, an entirely new world emerges: the flooded forests known locally as varzias. Here, the boundary between land and water blurs. Trees seem to float, their trunks submerged, their branches dripping with life. Floating serenely among these submerged forests are the colossal leaves of the Victoria regia water lily. With their vast diameter, sometimes exceeding 3 meters, they can support the weight of small birds perched upon them. The sight of these giant lilies turning the water's surface into a living green tapestry is a wonder to behold. But the Victoria regia offers more than mere spectacle. Each evening, its blossoms open, releasing a sweet fragrance that attracts nocturnal pollinators. By dawn, the petals change color and close, completing a magical, silent cycle of life that echoes the rhythm of the forest itself. Beneath the water's surface, an unseen drama continues. The pink river dolphins, or botos, glide gracefully among submerged roots and branches. Their flexible necks and supple bodies allow them to maneuver effortlessly through the maze of flooded trees, using echolocation to hunt fish and navigate the murky waters. In quieter stretches of the river, manatees, gentle giants of the Amazon, graze on aquatic vegetation. Their slow movements and peaceful demeanor belies their critical role in maintaining the balance of plant life in the aquatic ecosystem. Hidden in the murky depths, black caimans and anacondas continue their silent patrols, ever watchful for opportunities to feed. Occasionally, the surface is broken by the massive form of an arapaima, gasping for air, its armor-like scales glinting momentarily before disappearing back into the deep. Amid this watery kingdom, even the feared piranhas serve a purpose. By scavenging dead and dying animals, they help cleanse the waters, ensuring that life can continue to flourish. Every creature, every plant, every droplet of water in the Amazon's vast aquatic realm contributes to an intricate, delicate balance. And yet, this magnificent ecosystem teeters on the brink, threatened by human activities, environmental degradation, and the creeping advance of climate change. To protect the rivers of the Amazon is to protect the lifeblood of the forest and the future of life itself.